Hi all, welcome to English classes at Radhika Ramesh. And here we are going to learn a topic useful mobile applications for English language learning and teaching. And let's see which are the useful mobile apps which supports English language learning and teaching.
I think you are very much familiar with some of the apps which are very useful in the English language learning teaching process. So now let's see what are the importance of these kinds of mobile apps in language learning. For language learning enthusiasts, there are around thousands of mobile apps out there. So, you know something? For language learning enthusiasts, that is, if you are going to learn language via online with the help of a smartphone, there are around thousands of mobile apps to help you. Okay, it is very easy for you to learn English by using a smart device. These apps make it easy to learn English in lots of unique and interesting ways. By using these apps, you can learn English in a very interesting and in a very unique way. That is, these are very helpful apps. So now let's see some of the apps which are very useful in the process of English language teaching and learning. Apps which are useful in learning and teaching English. The first one is Duolingo. It is the world's most popular English learning app today and a highly recommended app for English beginners. It is effective in practicing the most important parts of English speaking, listening, and grammar. So, the first app is Duolingo, and it's a very famous app throughout the world, and it is recommended for the beginners of English learning, and it is effective in practicing the most important parts of English. That is, it is very effective for the learners to speak out, and it will improve the listening capacity of the speaker, and as always it is very useful to improve your grammar. So Duolingo is a very important and it is a very populative and it is a very popular English language learning app nowadays. Then the second one, it is Hello English. The second app is that is very popular in the process of English language learning is Hello English. It's an app with a traditional approach to language learning using translations and grammar rules. The app offers 475 interactive lessons and a number of games that test your skills and progress. You can ask teachers questions, talk to chatbots, and even access a mini dictionary on it. So, how this app is very useful for the process of English language learning and teaching? That is, this is an app with a traditional approach to language learning using translations. That is, this app will translate whatever you have said in English to your mother tongue and vice versa. And it is very useful for a non-native to learn English. That is, for a person who is living in countries in which English is not their mother tongue. And it talks or it also teaches the grammatical rules, and the app offers 475 interactive lessons. That is, the app is very much elaborately designed, and as a result of this there are 475 interactive lessons and a number of games. Through games, language teaching process is being possible, or the language teaching is practicing through games that makes the learners very much interesting, and they can improve themselves by watching or by doing or by playing those games. and you can ask teachers questions, and you that is interactive sessions will be there, and in those interactive sessions you can ask your doubts, and the teachers who have designed this app will answer you, uh, that is answer your questions, and talk to chatbots. Chatbots means robots, that is artificial intelligence, AIs. This app is AI supported, and they will answer your queries or your doubts, and you can access a mini dictionary on it. And apart from all these things, there is a mini dictionary on this app. So this app is also very useful for you to learn and teach English. Then next app is Bright, Learn Fast. So this app is also very useful, and this is a simple and efficient app that will teach you 8 new words every day by taking up only 5 minutes of your time. So this is also very useful app, and this app used to and this app is usually used to enhance your vocabulary by taking up only 5 minutes of your time, and you can learn at least 8 new words, and 8 new words will be added to your vocabulary each and every day. So this app is very useful, and for every level the word sets are thematically arranged and voiced by both male and female native speakers. Moreover, the app will ensure that you are constantly revising so that you don't forget the words you have already learned. So this app is very useful, and it is teaching new words in a very special manner. So in each day, voice that is voiced by both and female, both male and female voices are teaching you new words, and they are native speakers, and you cannot find any doubt in the case of pronunciation. And moreover that this app will constantly check whether you have learned these words or not, whether you are remembering the previous learned words or not. So this app is also very useful in the process of English teaching and learning. So these three are very important, and let's learn, or let's go through other apps in the coming slides. Then the next app is Najmi app, and has all the English lessons and the games to test out your English skills. The lesson section includes a vocabulary builder, English idioms, phrasal verbs, and common confusing words. The vocabulary builder has 3 levels. The intermediate and advanced levels are designed to help you get a good score on exams like the IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, and so on. So Najmi is a very much developed app to assist you in the process of English learning and teaching. So here this app will enhance your vocabulary, and at the same time it will give you informations regarding idioms, phrasal verbs, and other confusing words. And this will be, and it is said that by becoming a constant user of this app, you will be able to crack certain language oriented exams like IELTS, TOEFL, GRE, and so on. So this app is very useful for English language learning students as well as teachers. And the next app is Bilingua app. It focuses on teaching a language through e-books, that is, through medical training, classroom education, business, logistics, and the tourism industry. If you prefer music and audio books to flashcards, then there is another app for you. You can choose your reading material from a number of short stories and novels and learn at your own pace. So Bilingua app is very useful for people who are working in a lot of fields like training, classroom education, business, logistics, tourism industry. All these people can find this app, that is Bilingua app, will be very useful to enhance their own language abilities. And if you prefer music and audiobooks to flashcards, and with the help of audiobooks and flashcards, another app is there which is a part of this app that will enhance your listening skill as well as your visual experience. And there is another app in assistance with this Belinga app. And in this app, you can find out materials from a number of short stories. The materials are being given in the form of short stories and novels, and you can learn of yourself by reading those short stories or by listening to those short stories. We have already said that audiobooks are always also available in this app. So it will surely enhance your teaching and learning experience of English language. Then the next app, that is the sixth app, is Talk English. It's an app focused on improving pronunciation. The app has a number of basic English as well as basic business English conversations from which to choose. You will pick up on the way people greet each other in formal situations. That is, by the name itself, it's understood that it is giving very much importance to the skill of speaking, especially the accent or pronunciation. And the app has a number of basic English as well as basic business English. That is, we know that from basics, this app will train you to become good pronunciers or persons who are speaking with good accent and pace in English. And you will pick up on the way people greet each other in formal situations, and that is, this app will assist you in building situations, that is conversation, forming conversations or building conversation is a very important task in the process of language learning. So this app will surely enhance those conversational skills in by giving you different situations. Though, so this app is also very helpful in the process of English language learning and teaching. So I think you have understood my class, that is different apps that are, those are very useful in the process of English language learning and teaching. So if watch this video very carefully and write down notes, and if you have doubts, please get me to ask for or to clear for your doubts. So bye, Radhika.